Did you know that many dash cams claim great quality, but when it comes to night visibility or parking mode, they fall short? Well, today, let's see if the BlackVue DR590X-2CH can truly live up to its promises. Welcome back to the channel Autovated, where we dive into the best products for drivers. Today, we'll review the BlackVue DR590X-2CH, a dual Full HD dashcam designed for better image clarity and parking mode functionality. The BlackVue DR590X-2CH features dual Full HD cameras, each capturing crisp 9x20x1080 footage at 30 frames per second. Thanks to the front camera's Sony STARVIS imaging sensor, you get impressive clarity both day and night with a wide 139-degree viewing angle. It's built for simplicity with built-in Wi-Fi, which allows easy connection to the BlackVue app, plus an on-off button to activate Wi-Fi whenever needed. This model also includes parking mode support, which activates automatically when the ignition is turned off, offering peace of mind even when you're not in the car. For added convenience, it can be hardwired to your vehicle's fuse panel, and it supports extra modules via the USB port, like GPS or an LTE receiver. Now, let's break down the key features. First, the Sony STARVIS sensor means excellent low-light performance. Night footage is crisp and clear, a game-changer for safety. Second, the 139-degree angle ensures you capture a broad field of view, so you're less likely to miss anything. Third, the built-in Wi-Fi is a standout. It allows you to manage footage and settings without taking out the microSD card. Great for drivers who need instant access. Finally, the hardwiring option for parking mode ensures your car is monitored while it's parked, even if you're miles away. As for the real-world testing, it's been a reliable companion for my daily drives. The setup is straightforward, thanks to the app, and I've used the parking mode with ease. The night vision with the Sony STARVIS sensor was impressive. There was no grainy footage during low-light conditions. The Wi-Fi connection was also stable, giving me access to footage and settings on my phone in seconds. Pros: excellent nighttime performance thanks to the Sony STARVIS sensor. The 139-degree viewing angle covers a wide area, reducing blind spots. Parking mode with automatic activation offers added peace of mind. Wi-Fi connection is seamless for quick access to footage and settings. Cons: the installation requires hardwiring for parking mode, which might be challenging for some users. The 32GB microSD card may fill up quickly with constant recording, requiring manual management or a larger capacity card. When it comes to value for money, the BlackVue DR590X-2CH offers solid features for its price. The image clarity, ease of use, and the added parking mode support make it a good option, but there are alternatives in the market. Compared to the BlackVue N4, which offers triple camera coverage, the DR590X-2CH is great for those who don't need a rear-facing camera, but want superior front footage quality and easy setup. If this review is helping you find your ideal dashcam, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon, because we've got more road-ready reviews coming your way. This dashcam is perfect for daily commuters who want peace of mind on the road and protection when parked. If you're looking for more camera coverage, like a rear-view camera, you might want to consider the BlackVue N4 or similar options. In conclusion, the BlackVue DR590X-2CH is a strong contender in the dashcam world. With its excellent video quality, easy Wi-Fi connectivity, and solid parking mode features, it's a fantastic choice for anyone looking for reliable surveillance. However, if you need rear coverage or more advanced features, you might want to explore other models. Overall, for the price, this one hits the mark for most drivers. Thank you for tuning in to this review. If you're thinking of getting the BlackVue DR590X-2CH, links are in the description and comments. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask questions below. Until next time, keep driving safely and stay automated.